In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a real ID in Washington state. Washington's real ID compliant option is called the Enhanced Driver License or ID, also known as an EDL or EID. Now, for you to be able to apply, you need to gather some requirements and documents with you, and that includes proof of identity like a US passport or birth certificate, and proof of citizenship, also your proof of Washington residency, and your social security number. Keep in mind that all documents must be originals or certified copies. Now, for you to be able to apply, you must visit a Washington Department of Licensing office in person. You can start making an appointment by visiting the official site of Washington State Department of Licensing at dol.wa.gov and simply click on Make an Appointment link. So from here, just read the details and information before you proceed and just follow the on-screen prompt to schedule your appointment. There, you'll fill out an application, have your photo taken, and pay the fee. On the same page, you can see the fee breakdown. The EDL or EID costs more than a standard license, but it doubles as your US border ID for land and sea travel to Canada and Mexico. After your application, you'll get a temporary ID right away, and your permanent real ID will then arrive by mail in about 2 to 3 weeks. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!